Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to make an easy face mask to wear out to kind of help against this virus. Apparently now they're saying that we could benefit from wearing masks. I think they're recommending that you wear like DIY masks and leave all the medical grade masks and such for the frontline workers, which I totally agree with. So yeah, we should try and do DIY masks to wear. I know I'm going to be trying to find supplies to make one for all my children and me and John, and maybe even a little baby one for the new baby coming along. I have a couple ideas. Like I've seen one, and y'all might have seen it too, using the handkerchief with the two hair ties. That's the one I'm going to be showing you today. And in case you haven't seen it, I guess you will take away something from this tutorial. If you already have, then that's okay too. It's not my idea, it's just something I picked up from other videos, and I wanted to share it with my subscribers. So, without further ado, let's just get to it. Alright, you guys, I have my handkerchief, and I have my two hair ties. They're the bigger ones because the smaller ones do not fit my ears. So, yeah, these are the bigger ones. I've seen this done without any added protection, but I've seen it done like this also. People are adding plastic bags, and you just put it in the middle of your handkerchief like so, and then you start folding like this, and then you fold this end over like so. So you have this. Alright, now the hair tie is going to go on like so, just on the end, and then the other hair tie will go on the other end. So here you have your hair ties, and we're just going to fold this over like so, and then fold this end over and tuck it inside the other end in the little holes. So you have something like this. Let me raise you up. Alright. You pull them tight. Stick it on your face like so. And there you go. You have a face mask with a little added protection. And it's like really tight. I feel really protected in these. So yeah, you guys, if you need a cheap face mask for you or you and your family, give these a try.